Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So plenty of sunshine outside and the temperatures continue to rise. 87 degrees now. We'll definitely hit the 90 mark, I think. We have a 75 for a dew point value, making it feel still kind of humid at the surface. Aloft, the air is a little drier, and consequently, we even don't have a lot of cloud cover around. It's going to be a day, I think, very similar to yesterday. Showers and thunderstorms will be around, a few of them, maybe fewer than yesterday even, and they will probably occur later in the evening. Southeast wind, east-southeast, coming in at about 7. Boy, we had some big storms around last night. In the evening, and then again a second round coming in around the midnight hour, producing some very heavy rainfall. In fact, later in the night, we even had one storm that produced a flood warning briefly because of the amount of rain that was falling. So as we go into the evening, we'll go with about a 20% chance of storms. That's about it. Continuing that storm chance into around the midnight hour and then kind of fading it away as we head into the overnight toward dawn. We'll have, I think, wake up tomorrow morning with a pretty nice sky out there. And tomorrow, I think, our rain chances are going to be even smaller still. Titan radar right now not showing a drop of rain falling. We're going to have to wait for that. We had some cloud cover to start the day, but those clouds have since dissipated. This image is our water vapor image. It shows you where the moisture is, where it is not, the swirls and motions in our atmosphere. The dry air indicated here by the tan color, the moist air by the turquoise colors. This is at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, and you can see all that dry air kind of filtering in this way. That's really going to put the lid on rain shower chances for tomorrow, I think. For today, it even reduces them significantly. We have this big ridge of high pressure still bringing us an easterly wind, so the direction of motion of the storms and the timing of the storms later in the day and the fact that our west coast will be favored over the east coast for shower development still holds true. It's just that we have less to work with in the atmosphere because of that drier air coming in. Frontal boundary back to the west will eventually kind of decay away with time. It'll allow this high pressure ridge to expand over the peninsula and to continue drawing in that drier air. The sinking, subsiding airs will not allow the clouds to build and grow, and consequently we are left with mostly sunny skies and only a few late day showers, drier air even over the weekend. And calm in the tropics as far as Florida is concerned, in fact, as far as most anybody is concerned. 2 areas of disturbed weather. The first one may have some chance of development over a couple of days, either as a subtropical system or as a tropical system, but it's going to be out in the Atlantic, no big deal. Kurt, it's falling apart. Falling apart. I mean, your eye is immediately drawn to these big thunderstorms around, but there's the center of the storm. It's far away from where the thunderstorms are. It's in the process of just being torn apart by upper level winds, and it's got about a day to live. Right now, winds are decreasing. There are no watches or warnings up for any land masses, and it will probably just dissipate by tomorrow. We'll continue to watch it, though, but it'll have no effect on the state of Florida. Southeast wind turns west this afternoon at about 10 knots, and the forecast looks pretty good. We'll have about a 20% chance of showers today, high 91 tomorrow, 91. I won't even put in a rain chance. Not to say there couldn't be an isolated shower, but chance will be low. And then over the next several days, we'll look at that 20 or 30% chance of rain into next week.